Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Greetings and welcome back to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. Many of you investors have heard the tales of the modern landlord. You hear about the allure of high nightly rates on Airbnbs or the steady, quiet reliability of long-term tenants. For years, the choices were simply between hospitality or stability. But in the eyes of the IRS, these are two entirely different realms with different borders and different toll gates. Today, we unmask the 7-day rule and the Augusta shield, the secret math to decide whether your property is a passenger property or an active engine for your long term wealth accumulation. First thing to understand is that the IRS doesn't just see rental property, they look for your average guest stay. The formula is your total rental days divided by the number of separate bookings. If the average is 7 days or less, the IRS no longer views your activity as a rental activity, but as a business activity, much like a hotel. This is the gateway to a short term loophole because if your average number of days of stay is 7 or less, and you materially participate, meaning you don't hire a manager, you do the work yourself, your losses can be used to offset your W-2 paycheck or other business income. For long term rentals, these losses are usually passive. They get trapped into a cage that can only be used to offset other passive income, unless your income is below the threshold of $150,000. But be aware, if you provide substantial services like daily cleaning or meals, the IRS may demand you pay self employment tax on top of the income tax.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
In the current tax year, the wisdom lies in the One Big Beautiful Bill. While the One Big Beautiful Bill kept the 20% QBI deduction alive for landlords, it also retained the requirement to earn this deduction. To claim this 20% discount on your rental income, you must prove that your activity is a trade or a business, often requiring at least 250 hours of service per year. And while you're doing that, don't forget about the Augusta rule. You can rent your primary residence for up to 14 days per year and pay zero income tax. Whether it's a major sporting event, a local festival, these 14 days are yours, tax free. No reporting is required as long as you don't cross that 15th day. However, if you stay in your rental home for more than 14 days or 10% of the rental days itself, the IRS reclassifies the business back to a residence, limiting your ability to claim the deduction. So, this is why King Life is essential for the modern investor. We don't just watch your bookings, we also help protect your classification. At Petra Worldwide, we provide stay length monitoring for you. If one 30-day snowbird booking is about to ruin your 7-day average and trap your losses where you cannot use them as a deduction, we send you an alert. We talk to you about it. We help you navigate the laws to ensure 100% bonus depreciation, which is currently restored for properties placed in service after January 19th of 2025. So visit our website, join the King Life community, and let us help you build a legacy that lasts. I'm Nathaniel Weaver. Lead with confidence, live with integrity, and build something that lasts. I'll see you right here for the next episode of Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom.
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.